Hey guys, welcome back to the MeekFro channel. You're watching youtube.com/MeekFro. Do me a favor, if you're not subscribed to this channel, you should do so right now. Don't hesitate. Take the time right now to click the subscription button on my page. Also, hit the notification bell so you'll know when videos like these are being uploaded. It'll come straight to your device and let you know when I've uploaded a video, okay? Alright, so today's video is basically about this new Janet collection hair that's hitting the hair market. Today we are talking about their new Expression 3-time Kinky Crush bulk 36-inch. So this is what the pack looks like, y'all. So Janet Collection reached out to me. They asked me to give this hair a try. That is bad tail. Look at that. It is beautiful. Royal girl. Royal. And they also have pictures of, you know, other styles you could do with this hair. So that's pretty right there. So yeah, this hair does come in a lot of colors. They sent me 6 packs of hair. But right now I only have 4 packs left because I did do a hairstyle on my niece. I did her some kinky twists, like the Afro kinky twists, using this hair. Used 2 packs of hair for her head, but I am planning on trying to do some faux locks with this hair. So yeah, let's look at this hair here. How beautiful. So I have, like I said, worked with this hair before. I used 2 packs on my niece, and y'all, I immediately loved this. It is soft. I loved the texture of this hair. In the pack you have 2 bundles that come in here. So I basically just go in like this here and cut. Because you don't want to use this part of the, then it comes off like that. So you just need to go through and cut all of them like so. Shake and they should all come out. So as you can see right now, I'm just braiding this in. I'm using this amount of hair. Okay, so you guys see that I have all of my hair braided up. So no, I used a pack and a half. Remember, there are 2 bundles in each pack. I used both bundles in the first pack, and then I used 1 bundle in the second pack to get all my braids up. So now I'm just going to pull these up and work 1 braid at a time. So guys, as you can see, I'm done with my hair. One lock in the front with some lock decor. And there's another piece with lock decor on it. And, you know, a few shells here and there. Tension free. That was done on purpose because I did not make my braids super tight. I did not push that hair all the way to the roots, if that makes sense. I wanted my hair to age quickly. I wanted these locks to age quickly. So I gave it that new growth type of effect. You see what I'm saying? That's about how long it is when all of the hair is pulled to the front. Not too long at all. A pack and a half left over. So this is what the locks look like when they are down. I just kind of got them like swooped over to the side like so. But that is it for this video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Do me a favor, thumbs up this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do so. The subscription button should be at the bottom of this video. Also hit the notification bell so you will know when videos like these are being uploaded. Thanks so much, Janet Collection, for sending me this hair. I enjoyed working with it. I look forward to working with you guys again. See you guys in the next video. Bye.